Okay, this is the next assignment on Tinkercad. It is called TinkerPerson, and ultimately you're going to end up having something like this. So first thing is you insert a star and you give it a length and width of 30 and 30. So you just put a star in and you make the dimensions 30 by 30. Hopefully by now you're getting pretty comfortable doing all this stuff. You're going to alter the angle to 90 degrees so that it's standing up. So 90 degrees here. Good. Manually change the angle. Manually change the angle so the star is standing perfectly on the platform. So really you're just going to want to line it up nicely. So with this now you're going to go up a little bit like here. Want to maybe bring it so that technically, yeah, so this looks pretty good. You pretty much just want both feet of the star to be touching the plate or as close as possible. So that's pretty good. Insert a tube and raise the bevel all the way up. So let's find, tube here, bevel all the way up. Let's see. Okay. Place the tube on top of the star as perfectly centered as possible. So we're going to take this, we're going to raise it up. That looks pretty good. And you are going to want to center it. So or really just use the align tool and center it perfectly. Yep, so something just like that should be perfect. Insert a ring. So we got a ring. Make the length and width 10 by 10. Okay. Let's see if we have to alter the height or anything. We do not. You want to change the angle of the ring and raise it up so that it fits into the arm of the star. So first things first is I'm going to want to change the angle probably 90 degrees this way. Yep, 90. And then I'm going to want to move it over a little bit. Then I'm going to raise it up. Yep, perfect. So you want it to be, going through just like this. Okay. Copy and paste it so there are more identical rings. Change the angle and height so that the rings link together and touch the platform using exactly 4 rings. Okay, so this is a bit of the challenge here. So since I've done this, more than a couple times, so I should be okay to figure out how to do this. Pretty much you're just gonna alter it so that there are 4 of them. And it gets a little tricky because you pretty much just have to understand what angles to use and kind of why. So in this case, you want the second ring to link with the first one. I think that should be okay. Make sure they're not touching. They're not, so that's good. This one seems a little close. I'm going to raise this up just 1. This is the part where you really have to be pretty precise. And you want this last one to be on the ground. So I should say 0. And nice. Okay, so I think that is it. This one's a little close. So I'm going to move this one in like that. Yep. So as you see, it's really it's a lot of trial and error. So checking, making sure. Yep, okay, so that does it. Insert a cone. Let's see. Make the length and width 25 by 25. Let's see if we change the height or anything. Make the height 30. Everything else will be on the next video.